We're given two lists here. List X is 2, 5, S, and T, and list Y has 2, 5, and T. The average of the numbers in list X is equal to the average of the numbers in list Y. So when they give you those kind of statements, go ahead and translate them and see what that reveals. So average of list X would be sum of those four terms divided by 4, and that's equal to the average of the terms in list 3, because it's not very clear what this would translate to. And then they want us to compare S and 0, so we'll cross multiply. Well, actually, let me add those first. So 7 plus S plus T over 4, 7 plus T over 3, we'll cross multiply. So it's 3 times 7 plus S plus T is 4 times 7 plus T. Distribute that, 21, 3S, 3T, actually 28, 4 times 7 plus 4T, and then simplify, meaning combine like terms, subtract 21, that becomes 7, subtract T, so we get 3S is 7 plus T. And so I just have to satisfy this relationship. And all that tells me is that S is T plus 7 over 3. This format doesn't really tell me anything as far as whether S is positive or negative. So here, quantity A is S, quantity B is 0. So depending on what I choose for T, for example, if T is minus 7, in that case, S would be 0. And if I choose, say, T to be 2, then S would be 3, because this would be 9 over 3. So it could be equal and then different here, so I don't have enough information. Sometimes these kind of relationships might put a constraint on S, whether it has to be positive, but in this case, there is no additional constraint as far as whether S and T have to be positive or not. So here the answer is D.